Welcome to Genius Mind Kids TV, where animals come alive with sounds and rhymes. Get ready to hop, moo, woof, and roar as we explore the wonderful world of animal sounds. Let's get ready to groove, giggle, laugh, and learn together, because every sound has a story to tell. And don't forget to subscribe for more fun, learning, and exciting adventures, only on Genius Mind Kids TV. Let's go.
The cat says meow, 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 chasing yarn, playful now. Meow, 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 under the tree. Cats are curious as can be. The dog says woof, 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 running around with a fluffy hoof. Woof, 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 wagging its tail. Dogs bring joy without fail. The chicken says cluck, 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 pecking the ground, finding good luck. Cluck, cluck, cluck in the coop so bright. Chickens are busy from morning to night. The sheep says baa, baa, baa in the meadow near the farm. Baa, baa, baa with a woolly coat. Sheep stay warm while they float. The goat says ma, 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 climbing rocks near and far. Ma, 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 munching on hay. Goats are playful every day. The cow says moo, 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 chewing grass, it's what they do. Moo, moo, moo in the field so green. Cows are peaceful, calm as the reed. The horse says neigh, 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 galloping fast, leading the way. Neigh, neigh, neigh through the open plain. Horses run wild with flowing manes. The donkey says hee-haw loud, working hard, steady and proud. Hee-haw on the farm all day. Donkeys work in their own way. The pig says oink, 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 rolling in mud with a joyful wink. Oink, oink, oink in the barnyard sun. Pigs are happy, having fun. The bee says buzz, 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 flying around like it always does. Buzz, buzz, buzz near the flower so sweet. Bees make honey as their treat. The bird says tweet, 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 flying so high with wings so sweet. Tweet, tweet, tweet in the bright blue sky. Birds sing songs as they soar by. The owl says hoot, 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 wide awake and oh so astute. Hoot, hoot, hoot in the trees at night. Owls are watching, hidden from sight. The parrot says squawk, 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 repeating words as it loves to talk. Squawk, squawk. The duck says quack, 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 swimming away and then right back. Quack, 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 waddling around. Ducks make such a cheerful sound. The frog says ribbit, 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 hopping high, it just can't quit it. Ribbit, 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 splashing in the pond. Frogs leap and croak all day long. The alligator says snap, 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 gliding through water with a big loud clap. Snap, snap, snap with a toothy grin. Alligators swim as their day begins. The whale says whoosh, 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 in the ocean it gives a push. Whoosh, whoosh, whoosh with its mighty tail. Whales are wonders in every tale. The dolphin says click, 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 jumping high with a playful flick. Click, click, click in the ocean so wide. Dolphins swim with grace and glide. The fish says blub, 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 swimming round in a gentle rub. Blub, blub, blub in the ocean so wide. Fish glide softly with the ocean tide. The penguin says squawk, 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 waddling around on an icy walk. Squawk, squawk, squawk in the frosty air. Penguins are buddies everywhere. The rooster says cock-a-doodle-doo, waking the world as the sun peeks through. Cock-a-doodle-doo with the loud morning cheer. Roosters greet the day far and near. The koala says grunt, 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 climbing trees in a quiet hunt. Grunt, 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 munching eucalyptus leaves. Koalas nap under the trees. The camel says groan, 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 carrying goods across the sandy zone. Groan, groan, groan under the desert sun. Camels work until the day is done. The elephant says trumpet, trumpet, loud, big and strong, standing proud. Trumpet, trumpet with ears so wide, elephants march in a royal stride. The lion says roar, 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 king of the jungle we all adore. Roar, 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 so big and strong, lions lead the pride all day long. The snake says hiss, 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 slipping lightly with miss. Hiss, hiss, hiss in the jungle deep. Snakes are silent as they creep. Monkey says ooh, ooh, ah, ah. The monkey says ooh, 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 ah, ah. Swinging on trees, near and far. Ooh, ooh, ah, ah. With a cheeky grin, monkeys play where the fun begins. The deer says bleat, 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 leaping lightly with graceful feet. Bleat, bleat, bleat in the forest so deep, deer find adventures where shadows creep. The kangaroo says boing, 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 hopping high as it sings its song. Boing, 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 through the outback it goes. Kangaroos bounce with all their toes. The bear says growl, 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 big and fluffy on the prowl. Growl, growl, growl in the forest so deep. Bears are strong, but love their sleep.
Thanks for exploring with Genius Mind Kids TV. From ribbits to roars, we've had a blast learning animal sounds and having fun together. Don't forget to come back for more laughs, learning, and exciting adventures. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more fun educational adventures, because every genius mind starts with a curious heart. See you soon, friends.
Goodbye.